The OpenSky security deposit is refundable, but only after your account is closed in good standing and all outstanding balances are fully paid. By the end, you'll know exactly when you get your OpenSky deposit back, what can delay the refund, and the exact steps to make sure you don't lose it. First thing to understand is how the deposit works. When you open an OpenSky secured card, your deposit is held as collateral, not spent. That money stays with the issuer until your account is closed and settled. The refund process only starts after account closure. That means you can't get the deposit back while the card is still open, even if you've paid on time for years. The account must be fully closed before any refund is processed. Before closure, every balance must be cleared. That includes posted charges, pending transactions, and any interest or fees that haven't been finalized. If anything is left unpaid, the deposit can be used to cover it instead of being refunded to you. Once everything is settled, the issuer processes the refund back to your original funding method or bank account. The timing depends on internal processing, but it usually happens after the account is officially marked closed in their system. One common reason people don't get their deposit back on time is unresolved pending transactions. Even a small charge that hasn't fully posted can hold up the entire refund process. Another issue is account inactivity or confusion about closure. Simply stopping use of the card doesn't close it. You need to officially request account closure through the app or customer support for the refund process to begin. If you've already closed your account and still haven't received the deposit, the next step is contacting support with your account details. They can confirm whether the refund is processing, or if something is holding it up. It's also important to check your original payment method. If the refund can't be returned to the same bank account or card used for the deposit, it may be delayed or require manual processing. To summarize, OpenSky deposit refunds only happen after full account closure, zero balance, and completed transaction clearing. Most delays come from pending charges or accounts that were never formally closed. Your next step is to confirm your account is fully closed and check for any remaining balances before contacting support. If this helped you understand how the refund process works, like the video, and subscribe for more simple credit card explanations like this.